In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter using Constant Contact. This is a powerful tool for engaging with your audience, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently craft and save your own newsletter drafts. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and search for Constant Contact on Google. This will take you to their official website, which is the starting point for this entire process. Once you've found the site, go ahead and click on the result to head over to Constant Contact. If you're already familiar with the site, you might have it bookmarked, which can save you a bit of time. Now, on the Constant Contact homepage, you'll see a login button. Click on that to proceed. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to register and log in with your credentials. Assuming you already have your login details, enter your email and password. Then click on Login again to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed with a number of options on the dashboard. For today's purpose, click on Emails. This is where you manage all your email marketing actions. In this section, you're going to see the option to create a new email. Click on Create an Email to start developing your new newsletter. When you click Create an Email, you'll be prompted to select a type of email you want to send. Choose Newsletters from the available options. Newsletters are a great way to keep your audience informed about what's new, whether it's product updates, company news, or featured content. Now, you'll see a selection of templates designed specifically for newsletters. These templates are professionally crafted to ensure they look great and are mobile friendly. Browse through these templates and click on the one that best fits your brand or message. Once you've selected a template, it will open up in the editor. In the editor, personalize the template by editing the content. This is where you can add text, images, and links that align with your message. Make sure you take advantage of Constant Contact's rich editing features to create a visually appealing and engaging newsletter that resonates with your audience. After you're satisfied with your edits and when everything looks perfect, click on the Continue button. This ensures all your changes are saved and ready for the next step. It's always a good idea to double-check your content for any spelling mistakes or incorrect links at this point. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Save as Draft. This allows you to come back and review or send your newsletter at a later time. And that's it. You've just learned the process for creating and saving a newsletter draft using Constant Contact. Remember, the more you practice, the more skilled you'll become.